Hey, hey. Hey. It's Ultra D and the Hizzy. Hell yeah. Hopefully everybody's doing well. Had a nice little cat nap. Hi, Mitchell team. Team Mitchell. I have slightly good news. I got it to boot, and I was able to get into the Proxmox install screen. I was having problems with that earlier. We are beyond problems. Now I get to see. I get to see. I should. Everything's in the way. I need to end this today. I need to end this today, one way or another. One way or another, everybody. All right, let's start the tunes, the badass tunes. All right. Meow, meow, meow. It says I'm the only one watching on the tube. Oh, well, that's nice. You don't have to tell me. Don't have to tell me. Save you the headache. Anyways, what's this big fucking screen of? Oh no, you're not the only one. Hey, sweet. Bow, 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 bow. Join me on Twitch if you'd like. There's good music. Yeah. I'm the only one here. I just started. It's not like I have like 20,000 people that watch my stream all the time. Bam. Anyways, so we got this shit. Ohio. Ow, fuck. Who did that? Dim. Yellow. You know how much of a headache this has been, Dim? You know, half of this is for you. This has been such a fucking headache. Fucking hate this shit. I'm doing good. Just want to end it all. Other than wanting to end it all, doing pretty good. Shit, I can't. Okay, hold on a second. Let me do this. Bam. I got to plug this in now. Am I okay? No. I'm not okay. I am not okay. I'm now eating pills. Hopefully those pills are candy pills. Like gobstoppers. I gotta feel it. Shit. Yeah, this is like new. This hardware is like 13 years old, at least. No, I'm not gonna explode anything. Not this house. I'm dealing with Taiwanese hardware. Taiwanese. I might have to sneeze here. Hey, agent. People are rolling in, see? So, check out this. You guys better shit yourselves. Fucking shit yourselves. If you were watching last night, you're gonna see this and shit yourself. Not shiv yourselves. Shit. Like poop your pants. You will literally take a dump in your pants. Okay. So boot. Uh-oh. UEFI scan disc is right there. Oh, Billy. Before I wasn't seeing that. Because I was using Rufus. But I used Etcher to fucking install this shit. And voila. Don't use fucking Rufus. Blows. Da 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 yaba yada da yaba ba. So this is my first time hitting enter here. My anchor cam. Proxmox, bitches. Yeah. My topic made it on an AI generated sponge parody. It was about Chumtopia, an amusement park that Plankton opens up the strip business away from Mr. Krabs. Oh, sweet. I don't have a mouse. Fucking mouse. Hold on a second. Shit. Ah, my back. You ever stuck your hand in the chum jar? Shit. Burris chum jar? Is a mouse okay? Yeah, I got a mouse here. See? Okay. What does it say? What do I fucking agree to? There's like nothing. It tells me to agree. Agree. Oh, there it is. What the fuck? What am I supposed to fucking agree to? I agree. Oh yeah, baby. I wish it was smaller, but I'll do this. Yeah, it's probably the worst fucking financial disaster. Like, okay, when it comes to disasters, financially wise, This fire in LA is probably the worst. A lot of fucking dead, not dead, but a lot of stuff destroyed. Meow. Time zone. This dick. Where's Eastern? I'll just say New York. Password. You guys wish you could see me type this. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. You guys wish you could see all this. Hopefully my emails, my passwords are correct. Passwords don't match. What day is your birthday? Mitchell. February 3rd. Nice. What the fuck? You know what I did on my birthday? I bet y'all did. Bet y'all can't guess when my birthday was. No. No. No, 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 no. You guys are gonna be like, tell me why I didn't tell y'all. Ask me why. And the reason was my voice was gone. On my birthday. February 3rd. I don't know, maybe. I can't guarantee it. I almost stream every night. I don't always stream during the day. Oh, my birthday was on the 2nd this month. Host name? Shit. Can I change this shit eventually? Oh man. Yeah, it was January 2nd. Shit. I don't know what to put for this shit. Management interface. Yeah, we'll do that. All right. Fuck my ass. I don't know. Oh, fuck. I am so screwed. I don't know what to do. I didn't come prepared to do this. Hold on a second. I gotta take a picture of this shit. I wonder if I can change it. I'll let you all see what I'm doing here in a second. Where's the Discord? You haven't been on here when I've given out the Discord? It's like a fucking secret society. Fucking secret society. Fucking secret society, motherfuckers. I should probably get like a bit Ultra Derek Club. Server settings. Invite people. Blah, 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 blah. Copy. Paste. Oh my God. Here, look at that. Haha, there it is. Motherfucker. Why can't I fucking... What if I can invite Cha-Cha? Invite link. I guess I'll disable the fucking... Fuck. Here we go. Here we go. This is it for today. That's it. That's it, folks. And I'm not drunk. I'm just really, really high right now. I'm just kidding. I'm not. I don't use drugs. Ow! Border states. Like the opportunity for what? Like get new people? They get new people or something? Or how do I turn on my fucking streaming mode again? Data and privacy, content, social. Appearance. Streamer mode. We're on streamer mode now again. There we go. I don't want you all seeing it. This is slow as fuck because this is a USB. Sell water. You can't do that. It's called price gouging. They'll fucking fuck you in the ass there in Cali. They're filling bags, purses with water to put out fires. People were like purposely trying to start fires too. It's crazy. Oh my God. I'm actually going to have Proxmox installed. This is insane. Cannot open device, source busy. Fuck off. Just kidding. usually says all that type of shit. They give you like every type of warning. Or, yeah. Warning. Warning, sir. You're on the Discord. Sweet. Do I really have to fucking do this? Okay, good. $20 coffee, yeah. Oh no. You can't raise prices in an emergency situation. Therefore, you have major shortages. The whole thing's a fucking wreck. I don't know what my login was. I didn't have to. Oh, wait a second. What's my login? What the fuck? I don't know. What? Proxmox. Holy shit. All right, hold on a second. Let's get you all in the. Let's get you all into where I'm at. Edge it. Edging. What? Properties. There we go. Look at that. Would you look at that? Okay. Downloads. Products. How do we use this shit? Requirements. What's my fucking login? Getting started. All right, I did that. They didn't tell me what my login was. What is it, root? Minimum requirements. Okay, I got the VT. What is Proxmox? It is a virtual machine. No, wait a second. It's a machine that, it's a software that handles virtual machines. Okay, what the fuck is this shit? Unattended installation. You can install this straight on fucking like... What? Holy shit. Okay, I installed it. What's my fucking login? What is my PvE login? Root. Imagine that. Am I floating? I'm floating. There we go. Gotta go in 5 minutes. Dude, how can you know when you have to use the restroom? That's fucking wild, yo. Okay, root. Watch me not get the... Ah! Aha! What the fuck? I thought this had like a... Oh, I gotta use my browser. Let me exit this. There we go. I'd hit the stay button if I could, but I can't reach it. I can't reach it. All right. So what do we do? How's Edge gonna edge me over this one? .168.249/8006. Let me take a picture of this because I'm gonna fucking need it. You're saying buy now? What the fuck? It's way less than 5 minutes. Holy shit. All right. Uh-oh. Should I go back to safety, people? Do we need to go to safety here? It's scary here. Your connection's not private, mister. Ha! Advanced. Proceed to the unsafe area. Oh. Realm. I'm root. Root. You do not have a valid subscription to this server. Please visit to get a list of available. What the motherfuck? What is this shit? What is this shit? Do I need a subscription? Pricing? What? They think I'm in euros here? Do I really need to pay for this shit? And CPU socket? Fuck off. Wait a second. This is bullshit. Do I need a subscription for Proxmox? Some years ago, I was able to make a couple Proxmox installations without licensing. At the time, my installations did not have access to the enterprise Proxmox. I thought I downloaded the community version. You gotta be shitting me. I don't want to fucking pay for this shit. I'm tired of paying. Per socket? That's fucked up. Proxmox free version. Anybody fucking use this Proxmox shit? Do I just like not install You're not buying a license, but a support subscription. This means that PBS is what? Okay, so skip out on paying that shit. Truenass, my ass. Where's the... There it is. Okay. So what the fuck do I do? Like, I've never fucking used this shit before. I feel like a retard. Create a VM. Oh, let's do that. Node. Hell yeah. VMID 100. Name. Truenass. Nah, I didn't call him. Truenass. Resource pool. This PP. Storage local. Oh, I need to download. Type. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna have to fucking look at a YouTube video. Ha 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 ha. All right, hold on a second. Hold on a second. Goodness me. Goodness me. Let's look at a YouTube video. YouTube video. I'm going to bring it up. Open your PVE. What are you? Some sort of sick freak? Is this like flashing somebody? Hold on a second. I've never, ever used Proxmox. So I'm going to look up how to use Proxmox. I'm like a little confused here because, okay, I want to cancel this. I want to go back. Go back. Close it. Because I got like a SSD on here that's not being used. So is there a way to fucking like set that shit up? I hate all this fucking menu shit. Learn like a goblin. I don't know. PVE. Storage. Oh, look at that. ISO images. Oh. I know. I need to get an ISO image. Truenass. You learn today, and the next stream you implement it. Yeah. Yeah, that's good. That's good. I just need to get this shit like fucking installed. I got this fucking thing like right on my fucking desk. Hold on a second. You're only seeing part of this. Let's show you the whole shindig. All right, let's download this. Get Truenass. Download Truenass Community Edition. Download. Yeah, I saw where you can upload it. Before you continue. Did it start downloading it? You motherfucker. So I got all these. Okay, I'm gonna I probably gotta turn this off and plug some shit in. All right, I'll show y'all what's going on. I'll show y'all what's going on here. Y'all don't need to be in the dark. We got my edge. We got to turn off this. We got to turn off my edge here. So here, I built this little black thing on top. It has hard drives in it. Ha. But they're like old. I don't know if they work or, I mean, they might or might not work. Holy shit. And I got this like pike here. I don't know if it passes through. So I don't know if it sees that shit. So I'll have to see if it can read that. Check them. I don't really care. This is like a trial thing. I'm not gonna whip out my 12 terabyte hard drives and throw them in here immediately. I'm gonna do a test run to see if I can get like TrueNAS like set up, at least going, and like it can see the drives and all that shit. Yeah. So this is like a headache all in itself. If this doesn't work, what will? So I will have to turn this off, back on. I don't accidentally boost. You'll love it. I'll love it. I have like some experience in setting up stuff like on like a web GUI. I used Mass before, and it seems kind of similar. Seems a little similar. Bam. Intimidation. I'm gonna close this. Bye-bye. 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 Etcher. Use Etcher. I was using Rufus. It was taking me, and it didn't work all night last night. It made my life miserable. I almost ended this PC. Download TrueNAS. Okay, did I install? All right, so that's my downloads. Blah 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 blah. No, I needed Etcher to fucking. I needed Etcher to make a boot. To make it install bootable, install USB. I was using Rufus, and it was not working on this. Etcher worked. Rufus failed me. Big time. Okay, local PV. Yeah, I'm not doing this yet. Sorry. Yeah. I'll ask you for help, Dark. All right? I'll ask you for help. Let me upload. All right. Downloads. Okay, let's hash algorithm. I don't think I need one. So let's upload. All right. Watch this. Struggle with what? Okay. Bye-bye. Oh, Peace Cam. Thank you for becoming an Ultra Minion, yo. I missed that. Peacemaker Cam. Appreciate it, bro. Or brah. Like, what the fuck was that? Seriously. I'm gonna guide you through the whole entire thing. Like, I don't really give a fucking shit. Oh, did it do it? It should have been fast. Finished file. Okay. So I could download it? I just downloaded it. What the fuck is this? Oh. So it's done, right? Watch me struggle. It's called Watch Me Fucking Learn. Dickhead. All right. Like, I've never fucking, like, built my own VMs and bullshit. Okay. LVM. There's local LVMs. So I think, like, some of this, like the LVMs. Yeah, let me do this. I'm going to actually go on and look at another YouTube channel. Do. Struggle. Ow! All right. Do. What was I doing? What the fuck is this shit? It's showing that. Why is it showing this still? That's weird because I'm on a different screen. What the Oh, there it is. Okay. Oh, look at that. Is that neat? Anyways. We see my screen in the background. So I know these are like almost like containers. I wonder if it will work best on an LVM. Okay, so I want to add like yeah. Let's do it. Let's create. Okay, let me upload like hold on one second. Let me do this. Let's download Ubuntu. Do not use any media. What is this? Oh. System. Standard VGA. Ooh. Discs. All right. CPU. Do like 4. Shit. Fuck, wrong keyboard. So you can tell the memory. I can be like total cores. I can give it like See, this is how I like set up like the network bridge. See, setting up the bridges and shit. Ew. Okay. There's 2 fillions, black and white. Black fillion. Let's close this. What the fuck? Okay, hold on a second. Confirm. IO thread, local LVM. This is, wait a second. Bandwidth. You are unlimited, bitch. No network device. How the fuck are you gonna get into it? Okay. It'd be nice to be able to set up like your, okay, local network. Let's finish this. We're gonna just make this to make. Bam. There's my first. There it is. There it is. There it goes. No bootable device. I thought this was fucking Linux. Anyways, this is why he was like getting me like into this. I was gonna like upload fucking devices and shit. So let's turn this shit off. This is why what? This is why I shouldn't have listened to him. Stop. Let's delete this shit. You are stopped. Okay. I don't really give a fuck. I'm gonna delete your ass. Do I just hit delete? No. Problem solving hammer. Well, he was just fucking leading me around. And I'm like, does he know what I want to do? No. I don't know. Maybe we're not talking about the same thing. Just fucking die, bitch. Where are my VMs at? Where are my VMs at? Kill it. Delete a local VM. A VM in Proxmox. Okay, like If the VPN is running, click shutdown, power it off. Click more to open the drop down. What? Select a VM. I know she's from Japan. Hell yeah, I do. There it is. Bye, bitch. Ow. Reference disk will always be destroyed. What are these unreferenced disks? What the fuck? Just remove it. It's gone, bitch. Okay, so how do I add disks to this fucking... All right. You can't believe I did that? I don't give a shit. Shit's gonna die. I have no idea what I did. Oh, it wanted to be referenced. It is dead. Two hands are on the keyboard, motherfucker. See? Blah, 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 blah. Is that it? The fuck? Did I just hit the close button? This is killing me. There it is. Yeah, I tweak it. I tweak in the nub. You don't see me playing with it right now, but I am slightly. Anyways, add discs and stuff to Proxmox. I should just like watch a YouTube video. Tweak it, baby. You need a format drive, the UI nodes. Oh. Okay, so, okay, first, I'm going to watch a YouTube video. I'm sorry, people. I want to know, like, local PV versus local LVM PV. Something might be used better with that. So, let's see if we got, like, a YouTube. Otro Derek. Okay, Proxmox. Local LVM versus local. Let's do this. Indian programming stuff. Oh no, they have a yellow fucking dot. Oh no, there's no voice. I want at least a 5-minute video. Five things I would do on a fresh install. Okay, let's watch this.
Hey guys, what's going on? It's Don here from Nova Spirit Tech and welcome back to the channel.
I can't hear shit. Hold on a second. I'm gonna put.
And can you believe it's been 5 years since I last did my Proxmox setup video? So we're gonna be revising that video and redoing all the processes, because at that time it was only version, I think 5, and now we're at version 8, and tons of things.
Okay, wait a second. I know what to do. 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 Wait a second. Wait a second. Holy shit. Hold on a second. Oh my goodness. All right. All right. Here we go.
Has changed since then. Anyway, let's jump into it.
Here's the bad thing.
Now, Proxmox is a virtual environment that allows you to run VMs or containers into one system, thus allowing you to run multiple operating systems through
this shit. So let me open this up so YouTube can hear it too. 1 second. And I'm gonna forget about this, and then I'm gonna have to freaking filters. No. OBS monitor audio. You can hear it? Hopefully you couldn't. Hold on a second. Fuck. Hold on a second.
One computer. Now, I've been using Proxmox for a very long time, along with ESXi, and most recently I tried to use CPNG, but kind of failed on that. Anyway, in this video, what I'm going to be showing you is basically from start to finish of all the steps that I would take to get Proxmox up and running, installing a template, and possibly installing another operating system on top of that. So let's begin. The system we're going to be using this on is the Zima Blade, which I have a video right on the top left over here if you want to watch it. What I have hooked up to it right now is the...
Okay, here's what happened. Here's what happened. For all you people that might be interested, I can't see anything. There we go. So I got this thing rolling around. It's a fucking wreck, okay? It's a wreck. Got my tits here. Let's hide. I'm just too lazy. Bam. So here, there's a thing called Edge. Like, I can put it on here. Plus, it was like a, what was it? Window capture? Yeah. I called it Edge because we like the edge. Bam, it's right on, it's on top. Here. But what happens is that this here, this is my edge. And then I got my music from Beacon on this thing. Well, I got my browser. But it's also going through my browser on here. It was really weird. So this handles my fucking like audio shit.
The eMMC, it's a 32 gigabyte. I have an NVMe flash, which is half a terabyte, 512 gigabytes, and 2 SATA drives, which are 2 terabytes each, along with the 8 gigs of RAM that's on the system. Again, this is only for testing purposes, and 8 gigs of RAM is nowhere near enough of RAM just to run a virtual environment. You should at least get 16 or 32 or even more if you can. The more the better, because the more operating systems you can run. Jumping into the BIOS, the first thing you need to make sure is that you...
Pause this. I want to double check something. Everything's all clusterfuck now.
You actually have something like virtualization enabled.
Yeah. Weird. Weird. You don't see it. But let's get rid of Edge here. This now says, oh, just whatever plays comes up here on the browser. Interesting. All right. Well, let's go back. Let's go back. Goodness gracious. All right. I wish I knew.
SATA drives, which are 2 terabytes each, along with the 8 gigs of RAM that's on the system. Again, this is only for testing purposes, and 8 gigs of RAM is nowhere near enough of RAM just to run a virtual environment. You should at least get 16 or 32 or even more if you can. The more the better, because the more...
It shouldn't have done that. Oh, it's probably here in double. Because it's going on the Beacon browser.
Operating systems you
at the
can
same
run.
time.
Jumping into the BIOS,
I can see it here.
The first thing you need to make sure is that you actually have something like virtualization enabled and VT-D, which allows you to pass through your PCIe cards. And then obviously the Intel virtualization technology, which allows you to run virtual machines. Then using any boot media that you have, either Ventoy or using Etcher to burn into USB drive, load up the operating system for Proxmox, and we're gonna boot from there. So if you've installed Proxmox before, this environment is probably familiar to you. It's super easy to go through, and they'll just ask a few questions on what you need. Now, the way I'm gonna have it set up on my end is I'm gonna install Proxmox onto the eMMC, which is only 32 gigs, but I'm not gonna be really using it for anything else other than the operating system. Then I'm gonna lay out the 512 NVMe drive just for virtual machines. And then the 2 SATA drives is actually gonna be passed through to another operating system like TrueNAS or something. So the host system will actually not be able to see the 2 hard drives. So here we are at the installer screen. I couldn't even read that shit. Unfortunately, it doesn't play nice with using KVM. So I am actually gonna have to hit enter and figure out the options on the bottom. Now, because the setup that I have explained earlier, it's going to be a little weird. I don't want any of these options to be selected. The only thing I wanted selected was just the 32 gigabyte eMMC. So I'm going to hit tab, tab, tab again, and then go through next. It's down there, but again, the screen's not showing the way it's supposed to. Select the options that you want.
That was working for me either, boys.
I'm just going to select New York over here.
Is it visible to you?
Time zone, and then set up your root password and a mailing address. So what I usually do is just change this to .net, and it could be mail@example.net, but you should change it to whatever email you have, so in case you need to get certain notifications. Now in this case, you can name this anything you want. I do already have something called PVE, so I'm just going to call this PVE test.lan, and the IP address is static. You have to set it through here, so I'm going to leave it as 202, which isn't a problem for me. And that is it.
I'm gonna be pissed.
Now the installation process takes about maybe 10 minutes. Now that everything is all said and done and installed, all we have to do is just navigate over to the website with that IP address that we had earlier, which is 192.168.105.202.8006. That's the port number that you need to run to get to the web user interface. So here we are. The username is going to be root, and it's the password that we made earlier. Now, as a disclaimer, never install this onto your eMMC. Now, I had to go through hoops and bypass certain things just to get it to install on my eMMC, but think of eMMC like a SD card. Because Proxmox does a lot of logging, you're gonna burn through that eMMC pretty quick if you leave it on there. So I don't recommend you doing this on eMMC, but because I'm generating this video, I put it on the eMMC just to show you certain practices. So
practice makes perfect,
on our
baby.
main server itself. So let's take care of the hard drive problem that we have right now. Now, we're going to have our local PV, which is where the operating system sits. And then we also have our local LVM, where usually the virtual machines and containers would sit. Now, I'm going to go over to the PVE test right over here and head over to disk.
There it is.
Now, we're going to have a bunch of disks that actually has data on there. And I'm going to wipe out each one because I don't want to use any of those. First, the NVMe. That's where I want to actually store all my containers, ISOs, and VMs. So I'm going to go over here and wipe the disk. So I'm going to hit yes. It's going to delete all the partitions and leave it as a blank disk.
Be sure you
wipe. I'm going to go ahead
boys.
and do the same for SDA, which is my 2 terabyte hard drive, and SDB, which is also my other 2 terabyte hard drives. All right, and there we have it. Now, next thing we need to do is go over to the directory, and we are going to create a directory and we're going to select our NVMe drive. It's going to show you how much space we have and what it is. So I'm going to select that. The file system I'm going to use is ext4, and I'm going to name this NVMe. And we are going to create the storage.
Oh, baby.
And that's basically about it. It'll actually attach itself over here. We're not really done yet because we have to allow it to allocate certain things like VM, ISOs, backups, and stuff like that. So as of right now, actually, all the options are in. If you go over to data center and you don't see those options, you could actually head over to this one right over here. Head over to storage, go to NVMe, and then you can hit edit and choose the options that you want.
What the fuck?
So disk ISO, disk image, ISO, container.
It was up there. All right, let's do this. I like how this thing changes sizes. Not. I hear a bunch of background noise when I talk. Fuck. All right. See, I lost it. Edge. No more edging, people. Wait a second. Maybe I did want edge. Edge. I did want edge. Let's bring back on the tunes. Bow, bow, bow. Get down on it. Get down on it. Get down on it. Holy shit, what was I doing? This is it. So he said the PVE local? Was it local? Data center, what was it? Data center. Storage? Where's disks? This is a lot like TrueNAS. Add. Hold on a second. You can add like a, what the fuck? Can I just like set up like a freaking my own, like, can it just do its own fucking yes, we know you returned. Yes, we know. He's returned. Okay, local. Okay.
Right now. Now, we're going to have our local PV, which is where the operating system sits. And then we also have our local LVM, where usually the virtual machines and containers would sit. Now, I'm going to go over to the PVE test right over here and head over to disk. Now, we're going to have a bunch of disks that actually has data on there. And I'm going to wipe out each one because I don't want to use any of those. First, the NVMe. That's where I want to actually store all my containers, ISOs, and VMs. So I'm going to go over here and wipe the disk. So I'm going to hit yes. It's going to delete all the partitions and leave it as a blank disk. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the same for SDA, which is my 2 terabyte hard drive, and SDB, which is also my other 2 terabyte hard drives. All right, and there we have it. Now, next thing, we need a disk. Now, we're going to have a bunch of disks that actually has data on there, and I'm going to wipe.
I didn't remember seeing disks. Oh, right there. Oh, there they are. There it is. It passed. So what the fuck did you do with that? Like,
wipe out each one because I don't want to use any of those. First, the NVMe. That's where I want to actually store all my containers, ISOs, and VMs. So I'm going to go over here and wipe the disk.
Wipe it. Wipe my disk. Where's GPT? Chat GPT? Scan disk. All right. So I initialized it, right? Holy shit. What if I initialize my... So can I just use this now? All right. Usage. Let's see what he says now.
So I'm going to hit yes. It's going to delete all the partitions and leave it as a blank disk. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the same for SDA, which is my 2 terabyte hard drive, and SDB, which is also my other 2 terabyte hard drives. All right. And there we have it. Now, next thing we need to do is go over to the directory, and we are going to create a directory, and we're going to select our NVMe drive. It's going to show you how much space we have and what it is. So I'm going to select that. The file system I'm going to use is ext4, and I'm going to name this NVMe.
Directory.
And we are...
Directory. Where was he at in that directory? Directory. Disks. Directory. Oh, baby. And you just hit like create directory or something. Create directory. Which disk was that? Holy shit. Oh, there it is. File system ext4. Name. Are you planning to use that entire 1 terabyte SSD on TrueNAS? No, this is going to hold my, my virtual machines in shit. Like, all of them. VM, VM usage or something like that. I don't know. VM storage. VM... Who the fuck cares what it's called? OSs and stuff. How about that? There we go. VM Gato. Necrophilia. There we go. Great. Did I spell philia right? Oh boy. There's my necrophilia. Hell yeah. I think it's a PH. As in pretty hot.
Are going to create the storage. And that's basically about it. It'll actually...
Okay. Okay. Wait a second. Did that just fuck up on me?
Attach itself over here. We're not...
All right. It didn't. Good. Good. So, can I rename this? More. I guess I gotta destroy it. Necrophilia. All right. We gotta name this right. Okay. File system ext4. Necrophilia. There we go. Oh, Neco here. Neco files. Here. We'll keep the F. There we go. Neco files. There we go. I did it. I did it. I did it. All right. Stream's over. I'm actually going to shut this down. I'm going to run into a wall real quick if I don't shut down and just do what I need to do. So let's shut down. No. I need to shut down. I need to shut down Proxmox. Fuck. Is that how I do it? Yeah. Yeah, let's shut it down. Goodbye. It turned off. I can see it on my screen. All right. Yeah. I thought that was like it was going to be like a thing. There we go. All done. All right. So I got like these. Let me turn off the power. It booted on it by itself yesterday because I somehow like tripped something. Ow. Ow, she's a brick house. You know what I didn't do? I didn't fucking screw in this, I didn't screw anything in. So let's go ahead and screw some shit in. Here we go. I got my graphics card in there. I need to screw in my 1060 that I hardly ever used. I bought this before the big, I should have sold it then, before the big like crypto GPU fucking fiasco. I can go for a snack right now. I'm fucking hungry. Let's screw this shit in. Snack a cat. Snacks. Who doesn't like snacks? Bam. See, my concern is, I have a huge concern actually, and I'm afraid because I got this pike. I don't know. Here, let me adjust the screen. Where's my cam? My cam. There it is. Shit. Cam. So there's this pike thing like right there. You see it going across on the bottom. This cable's in the way. That there. So that is a it's like a RAID device, and I think it's there, and you can't really see it because it's dark. But we got a light. See those like SATA things there? I think it controls those. So I'm afraid that it's going to try to do hardware fucking RAID. I don't want it to do that. You want chicken and spinach? So do you use cream and stuff like that there in your country? I can see like some cream in that shit. Good. Yeah, hardware RAID's probably real messy. There we go. So this here is my 10 gigabit Ethernet NIC, which hopefully I'll be assigning that to your mom, to my NAS. Yeah. Bright light. Cream my, well, yeah, like in American stuff, we put cream and stuff like spinach. Like, okay, so there's like a spinach like cream dip. So I'm thinking that with like chicken. Spinach cream like a cheese. A cheese. Cheesy. We like our cheese here. Yeah, cream dips. Dip your cream. Oh, I need another screw in there. This is screwed. In a good way. It's like fucking all coming together. I was about to give up. Like I was in despair. This is why I hate building computers. Because despair, it's like watching sports. There's major highs and major lows. Fucking pieces of shit computers. Anyways, major highs and major lows. I'm gonna connect like at least 2 of these things. You're here for the chat and the yappins. You're not here to watch me want to die. That's interesting. I figure most people want to see me die. Let's take this. Let's power it. World Series of Love. This is when you connect the male and the female together. Oh yeah. No docking here, baby. All right. It's a tight fit, to say the least. All right. I say if I could test it with 2. Shit. If worse comes to worse, I can buy some fucking USB. That should be going in. She digs it. Now I don't know if these drives are good or not. And I don't think it really matters. Is it looking down? Where's my light? I can't see shit. Snoo snoo. Snoo snoo. Dude, I was seeing some like... I definitely could go down for some snoo snoo. Break it! Ow! Thanks for the follow. Hell yeah. So we got P1. We're going to stick P1. We're going to do P1 and P2. And then I'm going to stick it into those fucking pieces of shit. Stick it in. Everything's all about like shoving the male into the female socket. Why is that? Oh gosh. The fuck, did I have this on backwards? All right. It's not hard, people. I'm talking to myself. This is like the greatest fucking invention. P1. What about the PP? All right. I think the top. Yeah. So these click in. PPP. Be sure you clean your PPs. I wish I couldn't really hear it because I was like frustrated over this. I'll probably like go over it. See if anything crazy happened. It was funny. Yeah. I'll have to go through it. I want to clip the dad fucking episode. The dad episode. I just haven't been able to fucking get down to that shit. Takes from Pippa. She's a mega elder. What is it? Eller? Mega L's. She's all about the mega L's. It's like a vitamin. Here's the thing. I need to give this fucking thing a static IP address on my one thing. I don't know what this is gonna say. I like how you can just run a mem test. Oh shit. I should have unplugged my thing here. RAM disk. You don't see it, but I see it. We're logged in. All right, where's my edge? I gotta put the edge next to everything else. Edge. We'll put it on top of the NXT video. Okay, turn on my edge. Which I'm using Chrome. It's actually Chrome. It's not Edge. So is this like... fucking... No way. Really? Uh-oh. Oh no, it's hardware raid. Fuck. That's not good. Unless like let's shut this down. Do I edge the Chrome? Yes. Let's shut this down. That wasn't good. That wasn't good. That was not good. That was not good. That was bad. I wish I had like a power button, like where I didn't have to fucking open this every single fucking time. Okay, there we go. Where's my keyboard? Keyboard. There it is. Oh shit. I should have unplugged this. Oh well. I should just turn it off and turn it back on. All right. Can I just see the discs and shit? Proxmox. Nice. All right, let's go here. It sees it as hardware, and that's bad. What is this shit? All right. Oh, you don't see shit. Hold on a second. My bad. My bad. So I'm going in here. I'm going to look for my, like, SATAs. See, it sees these. I have 4 of these are SATA 3. Meow, 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 meow. Okay. We got my onboard LAN. And then we turned off my trusted computing. Where's the PCI? Option ROM, what is this? Oh, gosh. Let's enable that just in case. No, I got it. I got Proxmox. I got it. I got it, bitch. Shit. I'm just trying to I got a Pike RAID firmware thing. What is it? It's like hardware implemented RAID. I thought it would like just open up the disks. Although it only saw one. Let's save this. And we're gonna go. I'm gonna have to turn this off. I'm gonna hook up another one of these hard drives. Shit. All right, let's hook up another one of these hard drives. Maybe one of them's broke. Maybe one's broke. You never know. This is not going to be dangerous. All right. There's no way this is going to fall into the case. No way. No way. Not gonna happen. All right. I knew I should have hooked up more hard drives to this shit. What options did I fucking choose? I don't remember. See, the problem with problem solving is that you never do more than 2 things at once. And I always do more than 2 things at once. Changes. So you hear about the Dalai Lama who went to the hot dog stand? He went up to the hot dog stand guy, and he goes to him. He goes, "Make me one with everything." And so the hot dog stand guy or gal, I'm not sexist here. Yeah. He goes, they go. They go. He goes, it's going to be a guy. He's trying to feed his family. He goes, oh, he makes up the hot dog and everything like that. And the Dalai Lama hands him a 20. And the hot dog stand guy takes a $20 bill and just throws it straight into the cash register and closes it. And is this P3? Okay, that's P3. What the fuck? I thought I just plugged in this. I can't see shit. All right, so sorry I'm taking so long on this. I'm like partially stalling on telling the joke. So the Dalai Lama looks at the guy. He's like, where's my change? And the hot dog, stand guy goes, oh, Dalai Lama, you more than anybody knows that change comes from within. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. That would probably be hentai. Hentai, I'm not a pervert. I'm just shoving these male parts into the female parts here. Oh man, there's like no room to fucking move here. Here, let's ooh. I gotta open this shit up. Oh, my keys are in the way. Fucking keys. I'm gonna lose these keys. I should just buy a fucking badass case. I should just buy that $500 case and be done with this shit. Fuck my. Come on. Yeah, it's kind of coming along. I was running into a problem with my Pike, which I knew it could have been an issue. Because I don't think it has like pass through on it. It might just be hardware RAID, which I do not want. I do not want hardware RAID. I'm not down for that. What the hell? I'm having a hard time here. P5. P6. Okay, P3, okay, P4. What? Where's my P4? P4. Contortioning my body. It's amazing how many people I got watching. Thank you, everybody, for watching today. Appreciate it. Appreciate you all watching my struggle. I was not even close to it. I don't know why I have so many views like on freaking YouTube right now. Like concurrent. Everybody wants to fucking be a part of this shit. Oh, there we go. So I got my shit. Can't really see it. It's all lined up. There's my hard drives. These are all gonna be replaced. 90s sci-fi kids movie stuff. All right, so I got P1 through P4. I gotta put in this. If this doesn't work, then I gotta order in some PCIe to US to SATA. I was hoping to use these. I turned it off. When the PC booted up on its own yesterday. Yeah, the PC booted up on its own yesterday. And yeah, I make sure I turn it off. All right. Okay. Let's get this going again. Oh shit, I got it. See that? Oh yeah. Press its buttons. Wow! There we go. As for my face. Uh-oh. What the fuck fell? Ah, oh, shit, I forgot to take it out. I've been meaning to take out the USB stick. Okay, wait a second. Wait a second. There we go. All right. I wonder if I could take this out like in here. I'll just do that right now. That won't hurt anything, right? There we go. Oh. Okay, now it doesn't see it. See some parameters. Let me make sure I turned off something in here, right? So I want to make sure I turned off something in here. I want to make sure I think I turned it off. PCIe subsystems, express settings, no. So I kept the option on. Okay. Fans. It was eating that shit. I don't think. Okay, let's not make any changes. OnlyFans. Oh shit. I'm gonna make a YouTube channel called OnlyFans, and what I'm gonna do is just have a bunch of fans running. Live stream. Holy shit. That's gonna be fire. Someone's probably already done it. Okay. Sometimes in stream, I think about channels that I could make. Just put some spicy. I can make it a little spicy. I better fucking grab that real quick. Oh shit, it's going right now. Hold on a second. Check this. It boots up so fast now that I took out the thing. Wait a second. Yeah. 20. Okay, yeah. Yeah. Oh fuck, I have to sign in? Hold on a second. I'm gonna have to hide this for a second. Damn it. I have to freaking. All right. Why do I have to fucking do this? I want to create an account. Hold on a second. Add an account. I can't add another account. Damn. Oh, there we go. Okay, so this is what you do. Oh, wait a second. That's not the right one. That's not the one. We want Edge. So, like OnlyFans. Can I have a space in the name? OnlyFans live. There we go. Hell yeah. That'll be my channel. Took it from me all. People have to fucking buy that off of me. Oh gosh. Anyways. Okay, it only sees like one. Weird. Partitions. Oh. Okay, one of these does not work. And I don't know which one doesn't work. What the fuck are on these partitions? So I can, okay, this here. Okay, let's wipe. This is a raid member. Why does it say raid? Oh my gosh, yes. Hell yeah. Awesome. I don't have to buy a new one. Nice. Now I want to make this is going to be a test, right? What I want to do is just like, I want to be able to assign. Let's watch this guy again. Fuck. Here we go. No. Yeah, I'm going to subscribe to myself. I'm going to do it. I'm going to have a fan. I'm going to have at least 2 fans going. And it's going to stream at night. Hell yeah. It's going to stream at 4K. Holy fuck. Oh man. I shouldn't do like OnlyFans. I should do like, I don't know. Let's go to my history.
The channel, and can you believe it's been 5 years since I last did 202 with using KVF sit. Now I'm going to go over to the PvE test right over here and head over to disk. Now we're gonna have a bunch of disks that actually has data on there, and I'm gonna wipe out each one because I don't want to use any of those. First, the NVMe, that's where I want to actually store all my containers, ISOs, and VMs. So I'm gonna go over here and wipe the disk. So I'm gonna hit yes, it's gonna delete all the partitions and leave it as a blank disk. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the same for SDA, which is my 2 terabyte hard drive, and SDB, which is also my other 2 terabyte hard drives. All right, and there we have it. Now, next thing we need to do is go over to directory, and we are going to create a directory, and we're going to select our NVMe drive. It's going to show you how much space we have and what it is. So I'm going to select that. The file system I'm going to use is ext4, and I'm going to name this NVMe. And we are going to create the storage. And that's basically about it. It'll actually attach itself over here. We're not really done yet because we have to allow it to allocate certain things like VM, ISOs, backups, and stuff like that. So as of right now, actually, all the options are in. If you go over to data center and you don't see those options, you could actually head over to this one right over here.
I wasn't even looking at it. I was setting up my audio. My bad. What the fuck? Why can't you see it?
Here, head over to storage, go to NVMe, and then you can hit edit and choose the options that you want. So disk ISO, disk image, ISO, container.
Yeah, I don't see it. So let me turn this down on my ears. So what that is that has like a lidar, and it's scanning my face so it can read what I'm doing, like blinking and shit. I gotta take my glasses off for it to see me blink. Stick my tongue out. Yeah, that's the thing like that allows me to be a VTuber is the phone. So the VTube Studio is also in there, but they use like the facial recognition of the phone, and so that's near infrared light, and actually cameras can pick that up typically. So this cam up here, this can pick it up. So if you have like a remote control and like for your TV, that'll pick it up. You can see the light coming out. There is an IR filter on it. It's usually like there should be an IR filter. Usually they're put right over the freaking not the lens, but they put it like right on top of the freaking chip. I'm not gonna do an IR filter for it. It's my pleasure. Because maybe they don't. Maybe they need like low light situations. Maybe they do want to have like I don't know. It's a cheap ass fucking webcam. And I'm not going to buy a filter just to throw on top for it to get all scratched up and shit. You need to have him like underneath the fucking what the fuck did I just do? You need to have him underneath the underneath the lens. I was not paying attention to this at all.
Stuff like that, and it seems to be everything is selected. Just so I don't write over my eMMC, what I'm going to do with the local LVM is head over to edit and remove those options basically. This way, maybe a container because it doesn't let you write completely. I just don't want to be able to use it for certain things. So now that we have our storage set, now we can start configuring the rest of it. Now I'm going to head over to PVE and head over to repositories. And because this is a home lab and not in a production use, what I would recommend is actually adding, let me hit OK on that, not the enterprise version of the repository, but the no subscription. This way I could still get updates. So I'm going to hit add on that. So now I have a no subscription update.
Where was that at?
And you can remove these enterprise versions because I'm not going to be using it. So I'm going to hit.
I want to do that right now. Where was it? Did he add it? I can't remember.
Production use. What I would recommend is actually adding, and let me hit OK on that, not the enterprise version.
Hell yeah. And then he removes them?
Of the repository, but the no subscription. This way I could still get updates. So I'm going to hit add on that. So now I have a no subscription update. And you can remove these enterprise versions because I'm not going to be using it. So I'm going to hit disable for that. And this enterprise version as well, I'm going to hit disable.
Disable. Do I need it? What are this Seth Quincy bullshit? All right. Is there a save or it just does it automatically?
For that. And then now I can reload, head over to updates, refresh this, and it should start loading in with new packages.
Where do you go to updates? Oh, updates there. Hell yeah. Somehow I feel like I didn't hit reload. We're fucked. Oh. If I disable them, can I just delete them? Let's go to updates again. Wait a second. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. I'm stretching, yo. Man, I can go for some fucking peanut butter pretzels. Peanut butter. Well, that has the peanut butter in the middle of the pretzel. Those are so fucking good. Download. Oh yeah, that's right. Updates. Upgrade. No VNC. Refresh. What did I fucking do? Oh, I just did it again, didn't I? Hell yeah.
Refresh this, and it should start loading in with new packages that this is behind. Technically, I am behind because this is 8.0.3, and I think it's up to 8.0.4 right now. So once I could load that,
upgrade your shit,
a new
loser.
list of stuff should start coming up. And there we go. Now, since this is a fresh install, might as well just go ahead and upgrade it, but I'm not going to take the time to do that, so I'm just going to leave this for now. But instead, what I'm going to do next is actually enable something called IOMMU. And IOMMU is basically allows you to pass through your PCIe interfaces. So if you got something like a Zima Blade where you have an exposed PCIe that you could utilize, or if you got a graphic card you got to pass, you do need to enable IOMMU. So let's do that. Now, first thing we're going to do is nano into etc default grub. And in here, it's gonna say grub command line quiet. And all you need to do is Intel underscore IOMMU equals on. And then
hold on, hold up. Coconut, nano slash something, etc. What was that? L something? Fuck. Default. Default. Grub. Grubhub.
And in here, it's gonna say grub command line quiet. And all you need to do is Intel underscore IOMMU equals on.
Why would we have quiet and then have that on top? You think this would be like default shit? Intel. I can't read that. IOMMU. Emu. IOMMU. Oh, as a quote, I thought it was a star. Equals on, baby. Hell yeah. All right. Was that it? Hit save.
And then reboot the machine. Now, if you're on AMD, you just switch the Intel to AMD like this, and it'll be for AMD. So since I am using an Intel chipset, I'm gonna leave that, save that buffer.
Save that shit. That buffer. Control S. I can exit.
And then I'm gonna do update grub. It's gonna
update grub.
Update the grub configurations that we just put in.
I'm hacking, motherfuckers.
Update init RAM FS or init RAM file system.
Update init RAM. What? Dash. Grab that A. There we go.
Dash U. We're gonna
dash
upgrade
U,
that as
baby.
well.
I'm trusting his ass.
Generally, I don't think it's needed to upgrade the second one. I just do it as a practice because I'm upgrading the grub anyway. But once you're done with that, reboot the system and IOMMU will be usable. Okay. So now I'm going to hit reboot and let the system reboot. Now I can monitor this through my KVM so I could actually see this rebooting.
There you go.
And there we have it. I can head back into
KVM,
this screen. And if I go over to summary, you should still see some information pass through. And that means it's finished rebooting and we should be able to use this again. All right. First up, what we need to do is download some sort of ISO. So
should I just fucking reboot the shit? I wonder if it just kills me that one of these is not working. It kills me. Let's make me die. Hold on a second. I'm just gonna plug all these in. All right, I'm gonna shut this shit off. Or should I just watch it?
So we're gonna head over to our NVMe, and in the ISO images, you can either upload something that you have already on your system, or you could download from URL, which is a new thing that they added and I really like. So what I'm gonna do is go over to Ubuntu and go over to download. Yeah. And what we're gonna be doing is actually creating a template so we don't have to constantly install operating systems constantly. So I'm gonna go over to downloading Ubuntu. I'm gonna download 22.04. What I like to do is just go over here.
Thank you, sir.
Copy download link, cancel this because I don't need to download it on this machine. Go to URL, paste that link over here on top. And then down here, I'm just gonna name it Ubuntu-22.04.
You can just download it straight up.
3-desktop ISO. Give this about, I don't know, depending on the speed of your internet, a few minutes. Now, while that takes the time to download, I'm gonna explain something about cloning your templates. So, anytime that you have an installed system and you decide to turn it into a template, it's going to retain all the system IDs and system UIDs for that particular system. So when you clone it and turn it into from a template to a clone, it will still retain that system, and it confuses the hell out of your network. So anytime that you clone a system, you actually have to go in and kind of like clear out all the system IDs or change the MAC address or do certain things just to make it sure it's a different system. It's particularly annoying more towards in the Windows side than in Linux, but either system or any system that you do to decide to turn into a template and clone, you will run into this issue. Now, what we're going to be installing is Ubuntu, but we're going to do something called the OEM install. And the OEM install will actually bypass that, and it'll be like a fresh install or fresh prompts every time you boot it up for the first time. This way you can actually install the operating system like you normally would, install the software that you need like QEMU guest editions or some stuff like that, or drivers. And then once you shut it down, turn it into a clone, when you create a new template, it automatically thinks it's a new system, so it'll give it new system IDs. All right, now the ISO is done downloading. What we're gonna do is create a new VM. So we're gonna head over to the top right, create new VM, and we're gonna call this whatever you want. Now, because this is gonna be my template, I'm just gonna name it 500, because most of the time everything would be 100, 101, 102, 500, so I don't have any interference with anything. So I'm gonna call this Ubuntu template. I'm gonna hit next. The operating system I'm gonna choose is, let's choose this for NVMe, and then let's choose
CentOS. I'm gonna shut this down. I'm gonna reboot it. But I want to, actually I should have shut it down. Fuck. I'll shut it down when it boots. It's probably not hard on it. All right. Probably. I think it's booting now. Yeah, all right. Beep. Okay, so I shut it down. Oops. Do. We're getting somewhere, people. You know, let me tell you all. Fucking yesterday blew. It blew hard. Okay, I'm just checking. Just checking here. This is P1, P2, P3, P4. Make sure the power is all plugged in. Oh, my whiskers go scratch. Make sure this stuff's all plugged in. Maybe they had something like calling Miss Molly? Okay, so I got this thing here. I got another one of those. Ah! Check it out. Bam! Oh, I took my hook with me. Hell yeah. Now, I feel like I don't need this on top of my desk any longer. I mean, it helps that I need to get I need to set a static IP. And I can't really do that with right here. Well, I can do that right here, but this is my desk area. This is where I work. And this is taking it all up. Let's reboot the system. Going in. I might move this to another room. Or put this behind me or something. Put it all behind me. All right. Edging it. Here it comes. Beep. 2667s, V2s, two of those bad boys. It's going to load straight into there. I could do a memory test, but I'm not. It's really, that's a good idea to do a memory test. I'll probably do that off camera just to make sure shit runs right. I wish Windows did have a memory test. So before I was just kind of sitting in here waiting for this to come up, and then it would load into it, and yeah, they do take a long time. But yeah, I want to do that on air. But it's totally worth doing because it could solve a bunch of headaches. I think it's done. I wonder if it's done. Is this done? I don't know. Found volume group, meta, data, type, something that's covering up. Okay, so I ran all that shit. What if he fucked it all up? I made those changes. Holy shit. What if it just bricked it? Ooh. What is that? What? What was that? I didn't get to read it. I guess it assumes that. Okay, so is there a way to see errors? Cluster. I got a cluster. Did I fuck that up? Let's go back to disks. Okay. It sees all four of them. It sees all four of them. Maybe one of them was mislabeled. I don't know. It could have been mislabeled. I plugged all of them in there, and I also like reseated everything. So, hell yeah. Let's wipe that disk. Ooh. Oh. Okay, so this directory. Should I initialize these? I don't know what this does. ChatGPT. Initialize disk with ChatGPT. Maybe that's the problem. So I haven't used this for anything, right? My PVE. Firewall. Repositories. Ooh. Well, it's not production use, bitch. There's no subscription repository is not recommended for subscription for production use. Well, you can take that subscription and shove it up your ass. Sorry. I love you, Proxmox. Okay, so I think I'm going to call it here. Assigned to LVs. What the fuck? Yummy, yummy. I'm going to call it here. I'm going to eat lunch. And I guess I'll start this up again tonight if y'all are interested. I'm going to look more into this. I'm going to be a little bit more prepared for the stream. I didn't know how far I was going to get, honestly, before I got into here. So I'll watch some other stuff and make some notes. Maybe. Maybe not. We'll see. But yeah, I think this is a good place to call it. And hopefully I'll be able to build a true NAS momentarily, and then I'll make like a fucking real one. Did you all even see that? Okay, yeah, you did. Yeah. So I'm glad this works. Makes my furry ass happy. I was so scared that this was going to be like hidden behind hardware. So, but then I'm going to have like, I'm going to have to be able to like use this NIC for something else. Oh, about how many hours? Okay, so it'll be 10 p.m. for me, and that is in 9 hours. So Yeah. Australian. What is it? Beck? No, it's not Beck's. What is the Australian for beer? There's a commercial. Yeah. So yeah, it'll be. Well, thank you for subbing to me. I didn't know if you were on at the time, but yeah, thank you. I'm also on Twitch, people. Twitch has these, and I need to make more, but they should be coming up here when bam. I got animated emotes. Hell yeah. So, yeah, I'll be on later on about 9 hours. And thank you all for stopping by. I got like an official thing here. And I'm going to try to make it more professional. I'm going to try to make it more professional. Like have my desk here cleared off. You might not be able to see the computer, me fucking around inside the computer, but I'll have this cleared off and I'll be able to like move around and stuff. So yeah, thank you everybody. Thank you. Peacemaker, Agent Ned, Daryl, Mom Sato, Analytical Mind, Dim the Lamp, Sweet KS, Mitchell, Lurkers, thank you Lurkers. Y'all have a good one, and I'll see you later today or tomorrow for some folks. All right, bye.